Port Control Batangas. This is MV Precision. Do you hear me loud and clear?
Batangas BTS to MB Precision. Good morning. I heard you loud and clear. Please switch to channel 1-2 for further communication. Over.
This is MV Precision on channel 1-2. Over.
Batangas BTS to MB Precision. Good morning. Requesting information for fourth entry. Please provide your ship details. Over.
Roger that. Our details are as follows. MV Precision. Call sign Papa, Romeo, Echo, Charlie, India, Sierra, Oscar, November. ETA 0800 hours. Draft is 12.3 meters. We have 34 persons on board. Gross tonnage is 23,200 metric tons. We are carrying iron ore, 12,304 metric tons on board. And we have 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3 dangerous cargo on board. Our destination is Batangas Port Terminal. Over.
Thank you for information. Please hold for clearance. Over.